Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create a portfolio website in Wix Studio. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar is you just have to type out wix.com/studio and you'd be directed to this website. And if you haven't created your account yet, so you just have to sign up or log in to your account. So after logging in, you just have to simply click on the start creating option. So this one at the left side of your screen. And then right here, you'd be redirected to your dashboard. And what you're going to do next is to simply click on the create new site, or you can also explore all templates if you want to. Okay, so let me just show you some of the templates that we can use. So when you clicked on that option, you'll be able to see here different templates. Okay, so let me just go back as I wanted to create a new site from a blank page. But I think it is better if you're just going to create with a template. So right here, just have to choose how to design your studio site. So start from a blank canvas or start from a template. So for this one, I'm just going to use the template. Okay, so we can make this video shorter. And then after that, we just have to search for the template that we want to use. So right here, don't forget at the left side we have the category. Okay, and then once you found your template, don't worry because before editing the template, you can preview this one. Okay, so you can preview it using your desktop view, or if you would like to preview this one, tablet view or the mobile view. Okay, so if you think this template is good, then just have to simply click on the edit template at the top right of your screen. Okay, then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds while they are building your website. And then after that, you'd be directed to the template. And then you can now start customizing this one. So I think it's just the same in the Wix editor, but here in Wix Studio, there are so many features that we can use. Okay, so basically, it is more advanced than the Wix editor. Okay. So right here at the top left, we have our pages. So if you click on one of these pages, you'd be directed to that specific page. Okay. So I think we are going to focus on customizing our homepage. Okay, so let me just show you some of the pages. So if you would like to add your own page, of course, you can click on manage pages, and then you can now start creating a new page or deleting some of the irrelevant pages for your portfolio. Okay, so for example, this one, you would like to delete this one or just simply rename this page. You just have to click on the three dots and then be able to see these settings. Okay, so for example, I would want to rename this page, so you just have to click on that page and then just click on the three dots and click on rename. For example, maybe sample. Okay, let me just name this one as sample, and then after that, just have to click on edit page, and then you can now start customizing this page. For example, I want to remove this element. So all you have to do is to simply click on that specific element, and then you can either click on the three dots or simply click on the backspace of your keyboard, and that element will be automatically be removed from your page. Okay, and then of course you can also add elements if you want to. So we have the sections. Okay, so let me just add this one for you guys to see. And then let's go back to our main page. Then right here, just have to start customizing and create your portfolio. Okay, so here, just have to click on that arrow at the top right of your screen. So for example, I am going to start customizing the text at the top left of this page. So of course, I'm going to rename this one as my portfolio. Okay, so don't worry because this is just a sample. You can create your own portfolio, so you can add text, add a heading, or you can also rearrange all of the elements that has on this template. Okay, so for example right here, if you would like to add the pages at the top right of your screen, so you just have to click on manage menu. Then here you can add an item or you can remove an item. Okay, so let's see. Let me just scroll down, and I want to add a media in the section or change the cover. So just have to click on it, and then at the right side we have this settings. So you just have to simply click on the plus icon to add your cover. And then here we have the media from Wix. So we have Shutterstock as well and Unsplash. You can also use the AI image creator if you want to. So we have successfully changed the cover for the first part of this portfolio. Now I just have to scroll down and see, for example, I would like to edit this section. So you just have to click on it, and then on the right side we have the color section. So for example, I would like to use this color, so you just have to click on it. And then after that, you can also add an image or a video. Just have to simply click on this plus icon. Then right here, if you would like to choose a layout, just simply click on these options. And after designing a specific sections, you just have to scroll down and customize the rest of the sections. Okay, so you just have to do the same. You just have to click on the page, and then at the right side you just have to click on the arrow, and you'd be able to see the settings. Okay, so let me just focus on changing the colors for you guys to see it clearly. Then we can add our own image right here or videos. And then of course, do not forget to customize the text as well if you want to. And if you like to change or remove some of the elements, so you just have to do that again. So you just have to simply click on it and then click on the backspace of your keyboard, or simply click on the three dots, and there you'd be able to find the delete or the bin icon. Okay, so let me just add this button as well. Okay, so you can find this one at the add elements option, this one at the top of your screen, the plus icon. Okay, so don't worry, because you can change the color of this one, of course, to make it relevant to your design. Okay, and then after this one is, we can actually preview this, but I can show you that in this video to make it shorter. Right here for this button, you can add your website. Okay, so here, what do you want this one to link to? So we have page, web address, anchor. So let me just choose web address. Then just have to paste here the URL. Then after that, you will then just have to publish this one. So just simply click on the publish button at the top right of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.